Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the SIM and plan ready. Start by turning on mobile data and enabling voice and data roaming in your phone settings. Once done, switch network selection to automatic so the handset can find partner networks. This avoids manual mismatches. Make sure your preferred network type matches what roaming partners support. If your device is set to 4G only and partner uses 3G, you won't connect. Also, jot down your home MCC/MNC for troubleshooting later. Now search available operators and choose the Bsnl roaming partner shown. You'll usually see the partner name or operator code. If automatic registration fails, manually select the matching partner MCC/MNC from the list, because automatic mode can pick an incompatible provider. Once you select, restart the device to force re-registration and wait up to 2 minutes for the network to authenticate SIM credentials and provision services. If voice or data doesn't register, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and try again. Finally, verify that calls, SMS, and mobile data all work. Place a short call and open a web page to confirm. If data fails, check and reset the APN to Bsnl profile and ensure MMS/data are enabled. Re-enter username/password only if required. If issues persist, note the network name, MCC/MNC, and your MA. Then contact Bsnl support so they can push operator-side registration or clear roaming flags.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.